Conifer Home Estate is an exceptional property that has plenty of features and amenities to offer. The modern and luxurious design of the home makes it a dream come true for anyone looking for a comfortable and lavish place to stay. The Conifer Home Estate is a short 20-minute drive from Red Rocks Amphitheater and 40 minutes from Denver, making it an ideal location to enjoy both the tranquility of the countryside and the excitement of the city. The Conifer Estate home and studio have open floor plans with approximately 7,500 square feet of living space on 5 acres of land. Enjoy plenty of space inside and out with a wraparound deck and outdoor fire pit seating area. A comfortable, luxurious mountain style runs throughout the estate with rustic edge countertops, hardwood floors and ceilings, and large windows framing epic mountain views. The fully furnished property has 5 bedrooms, including 2 master suites and 6 bathrooms. The large viewing windows provide breathtaking mountain views, while the copper skylights and wooden accents bring a touch of warmth to the interiors. The living room with a concert grand piano and formal dining room are perfect for hosting guests, while the game and lounge room, music recording studio, and home gym provide entertainment and relaxation. The elite 6-car detached garage is perfect for car enthusiasts, while the hot tub spa, sunroom, and custom-built steam shower offer complete relaxation. The designer professional kitchen with copper-clad cabinets and Viking stainless steel appliances is ideal for cooking gourmet meals, while the garden and greenhouse provide fresh produce. The 5-acre lot, including a 3-acre fenced area, is perfect for pets to run around, and the upgraded concrete private driveway provides easy access to the estate. With state-of-the-art equipment and acoustics, music artists and producers will have access to a dynamic, soundproof space that can accommodate a variety of genres and musical styles. The studio features a large control room and a spacious live room with variable acoustics, perfect for recording live instruments or vocals. This is a truly unique opportunity for musicians and producers to create and produce music in luxury and comfort. For more information and a private tour, please contact Twyla Giroux at 719-371-4344.